So if your hair is too silky straight, right, it just lays flat, it's like pure silk, I have a solution or two for you. So it could be a number of reasons. One, just your hair type. You may have that natural, super straight, super silky hair texture, and trust me, there's nothing wrong with that because somebody who's got very dry hair would want that type of hair texture. It's just like almost like somebody who's got straight hair may want it curly, or curly wants it straight. You always want what you don't have, right? So if you have that hair texture where it's naturally super silky, here's a solution. You have to actually do the opposite of that and try to make it a bit, I don't want to say dirty, but a bit more, let's just use lived in, all right? And a few different and simple ways to do this. So if your hair is wet, right, you get out of the shower, you can use my Tidal Wave sea salt spray. Now, if you've ever gone into the ocean and you come out of the ocean and you feel like, oh my gosh, my hair just looks incredible. It's got some texture. It's something, there's something about it where it's like, I wish my hair could be like this every single day. Well, that is where Tidal Wave comes in because it gives your hair a very, very light, just enough sea salt type of texture. Spray this in when it's wet, right? 4 to 5 spritzes. And then you can blow dry it or let it air dry. But what this is going to do, it's going to give it a little bit of that grit and that volume that your hair may be lacking because it's so silky smooth. Another thing you can do is you can use dry shampoo. So this is Dust, which is my dry shampoo. And also, if you don't want this size, I do have these in limited edition quantities of travel size, right? So we've got these two sizes. And what the dry shampoo is going to do, and you want to shake this up until you hear that little bell, the ball inside, so it's making sure that the product is shaken and ready to be sprayed. You can literally, okay, spray the entire section and your whole entire head with just a few spritzes like that. Now, dry shampoo is designed to actually remove a lot of the buildup and the residue and all sorts of things because your hair is too dirty. But what it also does do on perfectly clean, silky smooth hair is it does add a little bit of texture to it and a little bit of volume. And what that's doing is it's actually giving the hair a bit of a second day or third day even type of feel. That again is going to help get a little bit of that texture in there. It's going to minimize that super, super silky, straight feel, even though your hair is still going to have that natural shine, again, which is a good thing. But this is going to kind of help tame that down a bit. So it may reduce some of that natural shine. It's going to reduce some of that silky texture. It's still going to be straight, but it's not going to, be so, what you like to say, silky. And they're really two simple solutions that you can do. If you go to shop.thesalonguy.com and use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, this is an exclusive 20% off discount code for everyone here watching on YouTube, and also it's free shipping in the United States on everything on the store. All right, so you've got Dust you could try out, or our #1 seller, which is Tidal Wave.